Hey guys, well, here's your Sniper Guide, and in this one I'm just going to be using the shotguns with Tyler. His ability is more health, basically, and this is one of the reasons why I didn't use the shotgun last round. And I think I upgraded the frame rate, not by much, just a little bit. Because with the slugs, you can't really decide which type of bullet that you have, it just chooses them for you. But the slugs are good for one thing. Like shooting multiple zombies at a time, but that only works in like on a crowd. Like 5 or more. See, once the slugs hard to even hit their target. That's why I didn't want to choose the shotguns last round. But see, you can hardly you can hardly ever get a headshot. See? Good to put it there for like 70 seconds. That's a nice legendary hit right there. I need to reload while I have the chance. Come on. It's bitter. Shut them off. Yeah, that's a little dangerous. Yeah, I'm low health. Bad. For the first time in forever, I didn't need ammo. Okay, good. They're all stuck upstairs. And four over the downstairs. I need to go. God, that's terrifying when you're like all the doors and pass like a minute, one at a time. Okay. Let's do it. Yeah, 360. I cannot wait to use the bazooka. Okay, good. This one just looks like a blast engine from Minecraft. Oh, God, there he is. Oh, God, he scared the crap out of me. Blast his face off. Maybe it's something. He's dead. Thank God. Well, guys, that was just an example why the shotguns suck. In my opinion, I mean, you know, like if you like those types of shotguns, then those are the type for you, but I don't like them specifically. Please tell me. You've got to be kidding. Okay, I'm just going to use the rifle. Oh yeah, plus I probably need to see John basic attack. John basic stats. Alice faster movement speed. Agent 47 more damage for all weapons. Tyler higher health. And Tyler headshot damage times 3. Okay. I'm gonna do this one on hard mode. Because the quicker I get this done, the quicker I can show you guys the bazooka and the minigun and the automatics. Whoa, I haven't used this gun ever. It looks like a Dragunov almost. God dang, the ammo is low. Sweet Jesus. That's a scope. Perfect. What happened to all my grenades? I'm just gonna take this off the back. Whoa. That was cool how he shot me and didn't take any damage off. Please. Okay, this gun's pretty cool. I didn't think it would actually be good. Well, he doesn't have higher health, he can take more damage. Sorry if I quit talking for a second, like I'm just really focused. Okay. Instinct. I wish they made a zombie that could explode. That would be fun. Okay. I just switch out of nowhere. Okay. Just because I'm just gonna take that whole pack so I still have. There they are. It's Sergeant Slaughter. If you guys know WWE, then you guys must know Sergeant Slaughter. He's one of the old ones. Oh yeah, probably, yeah, I was about to say, I might want to show you guys the time. I'll show you guys the time just because I want to show you guys how long it takes for my data to upload when I'm really low. Not even up for 5 seconds. Okay, I'm a little more than halfway through. Auto fire. Right. Oh yeah, and this game works for, I think, every single app, or every single device out there. Well, phone, tablet, meaning. Surprise! Okay, there he is, Hulk on steroids. God dang, will he just die? It should be a one-hit kill. Oh, it's finally doing damage. I'm cornered, I'm cornered, I'm cornered, cornered. Crap. Could have taken like 3 bars. Or 2. Ooh. I'm trying to unlock the autos, meaning like auto guns, like this one. Hope it, yes, but it's not auto. Not auto, please. Wow. How am I missing all of these? This one, I probably... God, no, I'm just gonna go with this auto. I mean, it frickin' sucks, but it has to do something, right? Okay. Let's do this one again, but on hard mode. Let's do this. Watch this. I love the autos. But when they don't do as much damage, it's all stuff. But they drop. God, they couldn't even... Oh crap, what's this one? I was gonna say they can't even get up. Crap, 3-hit kills. So thank God for headshots. Oh, there's someone up there. Nope. Oh, that's not fast. Oh. Crap. You know, this is why I didn't want to go with the first one. It's because it's a freaking torture machine. It tortures you. It literally takes like 1,000 shots to knock them out. Okay, I'm just gonna stick in this corner. Because, yeah, animal packs are like right... oh, right in that little spot. Just gonna try to snipe them. Half of me is just like, screw this and just leave the pistol. So that's what I want. See him. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, I need the health back. Freaking everywhere. Oh, y'all stay there. I need help for days. Oh, gosh. I hate how they're all in like one spot. And I hate how the pistol doesn't do anything. Him first. I thought there was one behind me. Now that doesn't kill me. I'm just hoping that is a health like yes. Pop. I didn't know this back space existed. I'm so happy that the boss is finally coming. Because I don't know how many more of these I can play. Where's Quill? How does he always scare me? Well, I know that he's there, but he scares the crap out of me. I'm reloading. I don't think this person will last much longer. Where is he? He's like rock. Hopefully I can unlock a new weapon. Because I don't... Please, God. You've got to be kidding. Wait. We're gonna need one more red thing for this. Please, balls. I need a bazooka. Wait, have I used? No, I'm just gonna use the double barrel. Let's go to Japan. Let's take this might sound a little racist, but let's take care of some ninja or samurai or whatever ones in which country. How am I getting headshots from that range? Pop. Yeah, this won't last. I need a real gun, not these frickin' shotguns. Ah, crap. Kill it! Kill it with fire! Gunfire. This thing will not last. See? If you go all the way back, you can kill up to 3 zombies at a time, but that's just rarely, and if you're lucky. Oh, I'm not even halfway. Please, no one make a joke out of these videos. So now people can make a joke out of anything I say. If you guys do, just 1 minute, please. I don't care, but just think about the younger viewers. That's the day. I'll go back. Well, I wish I could make it like an animated short. Crap. Okay, this much ammo might actually last me. This guy's really slow. 360. No. Hashtag 360 please. Okay, almost halfway. Why was that guy just eating a tree? Okay, good, I'm halfway. Don't mind me. Crap. These zombies need to take a hike. What do I even do? Like, who is this guy? Like, I want to know the backstory, like, what's going on here. Like, do these zombies come out of nowhere, or are they just... I don't even know. These birds, yeah. Yeah, I can't even shoot one. This game is some bull. Anyway. I'm chest, but, you know. Crap. I'm just brushing by these zombies. Talk about clearing the path. Okay, this guy looks like a Red Hulk on steroids. Where is he? Ooh, there he is. Shot him in the balls. Oh, that was fun. Let's see if I got like it. I'm trying to get an AK. Or don't give me an AK. What about an Uzi? Nope, apparently not. You've got to be kidding. Please, tell me at least. I need like double or triple the amount for that. This one I am going to get for you viewers out there. This is, I'm just doing random. I'm just trying to get sticks and green rocks, or just rocks, mostly, so I can get stuff. What's up, bruh? Pull the trigger! Yeah, this ninja's gonna kill me. What's up, bro? Why did they cough when they're almost dead? Let's see if I'm pulling out my shotgun. You guys can turn that into a joke if you want to, I don't really care. Okay, I need to hide. Crap. These shotguns don't do crap. Let's go for that, buddy. Oh my goodness. I was literally trapped. I just need to run. Who's killing me now? I'm not gonna let that zombie get out. I already got enough. I'm glad I don't get fall damage. God, I'm so low in hell. Why is this shotgun don't do nothing? No fall damage. And it's okay. I'm just brushing through things so I can find a health pack. There's supposed to be one in this tunnel. Thank God. I might not even survive this. There we go. Oh, twofer. Twofer! Okay, now this one just looks like a huge blob. I don't really care if I'm getting that health pack. I am getting that health pack. I am not dying. What's up, Sasha? Thank you, God. Well, guys, that has been the gameplay. See y'all later.